Hey, what's up, you guys? Ro Renee here, and I just want to holler at y'all real quick because I know y'all see it like I see it. People are losing like 30 pounds in 2 weeks. I just want to say this: don't let social media and those around you that have gotten the surgery or have gotten or is on the shot to allow you to deter you from your journey. We're not knocking anybody who has chose to go either route. It's all good. Whatever makes you happy at the end of the day, I'm all for it. So it's no judgment. But if you're here, then you know it's because we are on the same page as far as wanting to lose weight naturally. And seeing those around you losing weight so quickly does make you kind of step back and be like, man, this is like like what the heck is going on? But I'm here to say, stay on that path. Again, it's called journey for a reason. We're on it. We're all going to lose weight. It's just a process for us, and I think that it's going to be more rewarding as well. That's it. That's all I got for you guys. Until next time. Bye.